Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you one of the most affordable wireless earbuds that you can get today. Now bear in mind that the good news about these wireless earbuds is that although it is very affordable and very cheap, so to speak, it is actually quite good in terms of the audio quality and how it feels and all that. So I think this might be something that you want to consider checking out in case you are looking for something to buy for your friend, to buy for your mom, to buy for your daughter, your son, your kid, whatever. This one here is something that you should definitely know about. Alright, so the earbuds that I'm talking about today is actually the DIZO GoPods D. Now I have this box right here. It's retailing in Malaysia for just RM59. Super affordable stuff here. Alright, so what's this DIZO GoPods D all about? Let's talk a little bit about that. Now, if you just flip the box to the back here, you actually are able to see a couple of key features that DIZO wants you to know. First up, we have that 20 hours long lasting battery. We also have a 10mm large bass boost driver. So that means you should have some pretty strong bass in your earbuds. Now the third thing here is about that 110 ms super low latency, so that might actually be quite useful when you use it for gaming, although the number doesn't seem that low actually. The fourth thing here is the instant connection. Yes, you can connect it instantly as soon as you took the earbuds out from the case. It connects right away. I've tested out and attest to it. The fifth thing that you want to know here is actually we have this noise cancellation for your calls. So that means the mic should pick up your voice better over the earbuds itself. And last but not least, it uses touch controls, which, yeah, pretty standard these days. Now let's talk a little bit about these earbuds and why I think it's actually quite alright for you to actually purchase. If you notice these earbuds right here, upon opening the case itself, it has a very simplistic and minimalist look. In fact, the whole case here, I have my version in white. There is also a black version, but the whole case is actually a very smooth materials. I noticed that it did not scratch up very easily. Mine is the white version, so it might be a little bit more difficult to see scratches. If you get the black one, you might see it. I'm not too sure about that, but the white one looks fine. Apart from that, in terms of the size, it is a very small size earbuds here. You can see I have it fully in my palm right here. Overall, a very nice and smooth material. At the front, you do have one single indicator LED, and this basically shows when you have your battery or not. I think it would benefit from more LEDs, but again, at this price point, I can't really complain too much about that. Now, the hinge itself is quite alright. It's not that loose. It's perfectly fine, I think. Quite well done for these budget earbuds right here. And again, once we open it, like I said, you have visibility of these really nice and simplistic looking earbuds. So these are the kind of earbuds. It has these rubber tips at the sides here, which actually fits very well into my ears. Now the good news here is that in terms of comfort levels, I did not have any issues with comfort levels. It felt fine in my ears, but I did notice that the amount of bass that you are actually able to experience in terms of your music really depends on how snug and how fit the earbuds are able to sit in your ears. Now, naturally, these earbuds here does not come with ANC built in, but they actually do provide quite a decent amount of block from the outside environmental noise. So whenever I just put this in, I realize that I can't actually hear the sound from the environment at all. It does quite a good job at that. And the best part here is that there is a slight ring, a slight buzzer whenever you put your earbuds in to tell you that these earbuds are now actively in your ear. So that's also pretty cool there. Now, in terms of the audio quality, how did I find it? Obviously, at this price point, you're not going to expect it to be like amazing, super top quality, but I must say, for just RM59 here, you are getting very good bass, like I mentioned earlier on, very good clarity in terms of the voice, the audio, and all that is actually quite balanced, in fact, on this DIZO GoPods D. Now, I did notice that for a couple of songs, it does sound a little bit better. For instance, songs with very strong bass, they are actually able to come out very well on these tiny little earbuds here. But for songs that has a lot of audio, just acoustic kind of songs, you might not actually get the best experience. But overall, again, just for the price of 59 bucks, if you are looking for a straightforward wireless earbuds that just work out of the box, it gives you decent music quality, I think this actually might work for you. Now, in terms of how good is it for calling, I did make a few calls using these wireless earbuds right here. And again, I did check with my colleague to let me know what the feedback was. The feedback was that the audio from your voice doesn't sound the clearest. I mean, they could hear it for sure, but it also doesn't really cancel out the noise from the environment. So it's quite a fair bit of sound that they can hear from the DIZO GoPods D. Overall, I think just in terms of call quality, if you are taking a few calls or if you're like on the run or something and you want to answer your call, yes, definitely you should use these guys right here to actually answer your calls. But if you are going for a proper meeting and you want the person on the other side to hear you crystal clear, then maybe you might actually want to check out something else. Alright guys, so at the end of the day, the DIZO GoPods D right here, I think is actually quite a fair value for your money. Again, with up to 20 hours of battery life with the charging case, of course, I think it is quite a good one to actually consider, maybe like I said, for buying for yourself, you know, getting it for your son, your friends, or whatever, just giving it as a gift. I think it's actually a very good gift to give someone during this Christmas or holiday season. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much what I have to cover in today's video. Again, this is the DIZO GoPods D, a very, very affordable wireless earbuds, very accessible to everyone today. And again, yes, if you do like today's video, don't forget to drop a like, sub to the channel, and of course, I hope to see all of you guys in the next one. Stay safe, everybody. Bye!